tell us a little bit about what your country is doing culturally.
Given what has happened in the world, most cities and most countries have one thing to fall back on, and that is to look inwardly and fall back on the things that represent self. Port of Spain is a cultural...
Good evening. I am Dominic Sandman Thomas reporting for your entertainment news. Today, lawyers appeared at the Port of Spain 9 Court at the Hall of Justice to discuss a very pressing issue plaguing the local entertainment industry: intellectual property. Lawyers representing radio stations i95.5fm and 96.7 FM agreed to settle this issue out of court, but parties from the Highway Records and Awesome Publishing Company weren't willing to exhale just yet. Ms. Patrice Fortune of Awesome had this to say.
So basically the matter has been adjourned to October the 9th. The client's attorney, Mr. Leasing and Citadel Ltd, their attorney has indicated to us there's a very great possibility of a settlement. They are asking us for some justification for the figures that we are requesting. We had indicated to the judge that we have some difficulties and we view it as disrespect in the lack of communication from Citadel's attorney. And the judge had indicated that if nothing is done by the 9th, when the matter is called again, then we should proceed to trial. And that's the update on the civil matter with Awesome Limited Highway Records versus Citadel Ltd. With regards to the criminal matter, all documentation and evidence has been resubmitted again to the CID under ASP Facade, which should resume on Monday, 3rd of June, and those documentation will be forwarded to the DPP, which would then press charges against Citadel Ltd.
Chromatics was also present and had this to say.
Well, as Patrice said, the case has been adjourned for the hearing to see if we settle or we go to trial to October 9th. Although I'm not pleased with the delay tactics in which the other side are trying to use and keep this case ongoing and ongoing, because it's nearly 3 years now we've been waiting for some sort of outcome to be reached. But hopefully October 9th either we settle or we go to trial, because we will not back down.
Mr. Stuart Fortuné of Highway Records wrapped it up with this comment.
Yes, well, everybody said what happened. To me, it's a win-win situation on the October 9th. We either go to trial or get a settlement. So, either way, we're looking for some sort of final decision in October. I'm not too pleased with Mr. Garcia's delay tactics. He's playing games, but so be it. It's Trinidad, that's how things go. With the DPP, there's a lot of spinning. The report will go to one officer to investigate it. That officer will go on vacation the next day. We'll put our next officer, that officer will go on vacation the next day, or sick leave the next day. So you see the pattern of justice in Trinidad and how it operates. Not surprised, not shocked. But the thing is, they think they could run and hide, but we're not going anywhere. We're staying here, so as long as they run and hide, then we're still here running behind you.